At Capital Spreads, you can trade a huge range of financial markets, anything from the UK FTSE 100 index to the price of wheat. The thousands of markets we offer to clients include individual shares traded in the UK, Europe, the US and elsewhere, the FTSE 100, 250, the Dow Jones and Nikkei indices, as well as major and minor currency pairs, commodities and bonds. And since global markets never sleep, you can trade a selection of our markets 24 hours a day, Monday to Friday. Spread betting is a leveraged product, which means there's no need to tie up large amounts of your capital in order to place a trade. When you're ready to trade, you only need to deposit a small percentage of the full value of your position. This deposit is known as margin. For example, if you buy Vodafone shares for £10 a point at 150, your total exposure for this trade will be £1,500. This is calculated as the total number of points the price could potentially fall. So that's 150 multiplied by your stake of £10. However, you wouldn't need £1,500 in your account to open this trade. We typically have a minimum margin requirement of 3% on individual FTSE 100 shares. So you would need to deposit just £45. So leverage gives potential for large returns on a small deposit. Under current UK law, any profits you make from spread betting are completely tax-free. And unlike trading stocks and shares through a stockbroker, you don't have to pay stamp duty. So far, so good? Well, if that wasn't enough, when you trade with us, we won't charge you commission or brokerage fees. We make our money through the spreads that we quote. This makes trading with us transparent and very cost-effective for you. Falling markets are not always bad news. Spread betting enables you to make money when prices are going down in just the same way as when they are rising. If you think a market is overvalued and is going to fall in price, you can go short by opening a sell trade. The further the market has fallen when you close your trade, the higher your profit. When you open an account with us, you'll be classified as a retail client, which ensures that your funds are ring-fenced and held in a segregated account. Capital Spreads is a brand name of London Capital Group, which is authorised and regulated by the Financial Services Authority. This means that you can trade safely and securely with us, knowing that your money is protected by some of the toughest financial regulations in the world. It's important that you're aware of the risks involved in spread betting, as it's possible to lose more than your original stake and deposit. It's important that spread betting meets your investment objectives, and you may also want to seek independent advice before opening an account. We aim to make trading as simple and as transparent as possible. With one account in a single currency, you can enter and exit markets with immediate settlement, all at the click of a button.